brand new floors, renovated bathroom, no rear neighbors. Welcome to 15121 Margaux Drive, Clermont, Florida. Welcome to your perfect paradise in the community of Sienna Ridge in Clermont, Florida. This beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath home has been recently updated and renovated with modern amenities and finishes. You'll love the brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout all main living spaces as well as the primary bedroom, plus updated baseboards for that extra touch of elegance. You'll also love the beautifully updated primary bathroom and brand new front door. Plus, all new light fixtures add a modern touch while also providing plenty of natural light to every room. The kitchen features brand new appliances. Also, enjoy the peace of mind knowing that this home features a roof replaced in 2018, a French drain system installed, and a brand new whole house water softener for efficient usage without sacrificing quality or comfort. Step out into your backyard oasis featuring beautiful landscaping and a huge screened-in porch for outdoor entertaining or relaxing surrounded by nature. No rear neighbors here as the house backs up to a beautiful conservation land. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own this home. This home is actually even better in person, so come see it today. Contact me, Mark Rawmaker, the Real Estate Ninja with the Orlando Home Squad of eXp Realty, and I will set it all up for it'll come like today, like today. It's awesome.